When people have spoken to me, they said, you're blind, you don't see how the world's beautiful things are, so many things are so beautiful, diamonds, gold and all that. And I say, yeah. But as far as I'm concerned, beauty is in the heart. Beauty is in the people. So I am taking part in this campaign to raise the awareness of living with loss of vision.
There is a lot of joy to find in life without sight, even though you may find that hard to imagine at the beginning. And I think everybody can learn something from blind people that will make their lives better.